Harnessing the Power of AI. Join us for our latest Tech Lab on how to best harness the power of AI for your business needs. Here is what we will cover during the session. AI landscape, our GPU and AI offers. AI solutions, build, train and deploy AI models. How to get started with AI notebooks, AI training and AI deploy. Then we move into AI endpoints. And finish with how to use LLM, speech-to-text, and NLP APIs easily. Before diving in, let's take a look at the major themes surrounding artificial intelligence at OVHcloud that we will be addressing. OVHcloud Global Backbone Network interconnects all our data centers together, with 100 terabits per second of global network capacity. The backbone network is also connected to the Internet via 44 redundant points of presence, distributed worldwide. It is built for high availability and performance. AI at OVHcloud is not new. From the installation of the first DGX in 2017 to the release of AI endpoints in 2024, a lot has happened. Innovative products like AI tools, AI notebook, AI training, and AI deploy, and GPU accelerated cards have been developed to meet the diverse needs of our customers. But what is AI at OVHcloud? Above all, it's about providing all the necessary elements to enable a model to be used for inference. Things such as data and storage are essential, which are two fundamental components to consider before even thinking about AI. We offer everything needed to process data, transform it, and finally prepare it for optimal ingestion by AI models. Taking a closer look at the AI ecosystem itself, we offer two complementary universes: AI endpoints and its catalogue of state-of-the-art models, enabling the creation of chatbots, image analysis, audio and image generation, and more. And AI tools, which allows you to create or fine-tune your own models, all the way through to deploying APIs or applications to distribute the use of your models. So, let's go ahead and start with this universe, AI tools. Before diving into software and solutions, let's take a first look at computer power. Without computing power, there is no AI. We offer a wide range of GPU cards to cover the most possible use cases, tailored to your specific needs. And, of course, we continue to innovate by providing access to the latest cards on the market, regularly updating our lineup. These GPUs enable us to offer the three essential tools for designing a model and an application based on a model: AI notebooks, AI training, and AI deploy. Let's take a closer look at AI notebooks and what it can help you achieve. AI Notebook allows you to choose between the two most commonly used code editors, JupyterLab and VS Code. Of course, you'll also benefit from the power of the GPUs and CPUs made available to you by OVHcloud. And as managing dependencies or tools can often be a complex task, we provide pre-packaged environments with all the necessary tools. Once your model is created, you'll be able to train it using AI training. Indeed, AI training is a robust and efficient solution for training your model with all the necessary data. Once again, we take care of creating ready-to-use Docker images for you, or you can bring your own Docker image to perform customized training. Finally, once your model is created and trained, you'll be able to create an API to expose it, or even a complete application using this model thanks to AI Deploy. AI Deploy is a container-as-a-service solution that allows you to easily deploy an application packaged with Docker, leveraging the power of your models and the GPUs provided by OVHcloud. To summarize, AI tools are easy-to-use tools that provide all the power and functionality needed to create applications based on artificial intelligence. And, of course, always in line with OVH's DNA, with controlled and predictable billing and data sovereignty. And, as always, with a non-vendor locking approach, our solutions are based on the major open source standards of the market. AI solutions at OVHcloud go beyond just AI tools. As we've already discussed, data processing is a crucial step, and we address this with our storage and object container solutions. Finally, and this will be the subject of the next part, for those who don't want to create their own models, we offer AI endpoints, which allows you to consume AI in a as-a-service mode. During this tech lab, we will use AI tools to optimize an image recognition model, YOLO, to learn how to play the game rock, paper, scissors. This will be an opportunity to see, in a simple way, the 3 essential steps to create or optimize a model. The first part of the tech lab will therefore be the fine-tuning of the YOLO model using AI endpoints. Once the model is properly parameterized, we will train it on a more substantial dataset to obtain our final model using AI training. Finally, the tech lab will conclude with the creation of an application that allows 2 players to play rock, paper, scissors through a Python application deployed using AI deploy. Now that you have a good grasp of these concepts and have completed the rock, paper, scissors tech lab, it's time to see how to bring AI into your everyday development projects. And that's where AI Endpoints by OVHcloud comes in. AI Endpoints comes with a dedicated website that allows you to access various documentation to get the most out of the proposed models. And most importantly, with an impressive list of pre-trained models that are ready to use to meet your needs as best as possible. In a few words, AI Endpoints is primarily designed for developers to bring AI into their daily lives, not just as development tools, but also as libraries to make their applications even more powerful. And, of course, always with our pillars of respect for privacy and non-vendor locking, based on the most powerful open source projects. As we briefly mentioned earlier, one of the major strengths of AI endpoints is the diversity and number of models available in the catalogue. For example, you'll find all types of LLM, large language models, for tasks such as embedding, having a code assistant, or even multimodal models that combine text and image. The second part of the tech lab will focus on getting hands-on with AI endpoints using different technologies, Java, JavaScript, and Python, and various use cases, chatbots, NLP, and audio text. During this tech lab, we will follow the classic path that a developer takes when trying to determine which model to choose to best solve their problem. This involves precisely defining the problem itself, selecting the right endpoint, and therefore the model, and so on. One of the use cases you will develop is a chatbot, but not just any chatbot. A chatbot that you will choose what types of knowledge it will have thanks to the RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. RAG in action when developed with AI endpoints. Another use case you will develop is an audio translator. Starting from an audio recording in one language, going through a transcription phase and then a translation phase, you will generate the translated audio version. Finally, here is a last use case that we will see: how to create a sentiment analyzer. This use case can be very useful to analyze customer reviews or meeting transcripts, for example. Again, doing it with AI endpoints allows us to make our lives easier thanks to the availability of specialized models in this field. What next? This was just a flying visit into the world of AI. How are you going to use our AI product range? If you want hands-on, practical advice on how to establish the services for your projects, please join us for a face-to-face tech lab session. We not only give you hands-on experience of spinning up services, but we provide a library of demos that will help you get answers to all those hard questions. Thank you for listening to this video and hope to see you at one of our tech labs, where our experts are standing by to help.